To replace this bulb, you need to remove the headlight, but first loosen the front grill by undoing these screws using a 10mm socket and a Phillips head screwdriver. To remove the headlight, unscrew these 3 bolts. Unplug the connector by pressing the upper safety pin and pull it out. Also unplug this connector. Press the side safety pin and pull it out. Now you can remove the headlight from the car. Place the headlight on a soft surface so you don't scratch it. For high beam bulb, twist and remove this cover. The bulb is located here. Unplug the connector. To release the bulb, press on the retaining clip. The bulb type is H7. Install the bulb. Lock the retaining clip. Put back the connector. Now twist the cover until it closes. Now you can start installing the headlight back on the car. Place all the bolts into position and start tightening them. This was my video. For any questions, you can leave a comment and I will try to answer all of you. Thank you.